demonic qualities are being explained now, one after another. And after this, Krishna will give what he does with this demonic people. Correct? He is not pleased. Krishna explained first the qualities of the divine, beginning with Avayam, Sattva, Samshuddhi, Jnana Yoga, Avasita, like that. And then after developing the qualities of a devotee, of a divine person, Krishna explains the demonic qualities. And then he starts explaining the demonic qualities. Correct? Krishna starts explaining in detail, one by one. Now this is the last one. And that is, he says he's very proud. And I was analyzing why the pride comes. Because you think that you can exist independent of Krishna. Therefore pride comes. Actually, we cannot be proud. Even devatas cannot exist independent of the Lord. What are the different offenses? What is the first offense? The devotees who dedicated life, propagation, the holy name of the Lord. Second offense. First offense, blasphemy, the devotee. To consider the devatas equal to or? To consider the devatas equal to or independent of the holy name of Krishna. Independent. The devatas are not independent of Krishna. Even devatas are not independent of Krishna. So even they have no pride. Devatas, when they see Krishna, they all fall down, pay all respects. They don't show pride to Krishna. They know it is just mercy energy of Krishna they are showing. Actually, Krishna does not need anybody. He is Swarat. He is totally independent. Just like in Mahabharata war, we know that he showed he is independent. Krishna. But, correct? He was independent at any time. But at the same time, Krishna made Arjuna act to give mercy. Okay. Krishna is not depending on us. है क्या? कृष्णा हमारे पे डिपेंड करते हैं क्या? नहीं. जैसे विग्रह में भी चले मदर यशोदा का ही ले लो, जब भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है माँ के पीछे भगते थे कृष्ण. He is showing he is dependent on mother. Please dress me, please feed me. But actually he is not dependent. He enjoys becoming dependent on his devotees. विग्रह भी सेम है. भगवान का नहा नहीं सकते क्या? एक बाल्टी पानी रख दो मग के साथ, नहा लेंगे खुद. Actually it doesn't need you. He can take bath himself or not. You feed bucket of water and mug. Anybody comes guest, what do? You don't have to bathe him. You give him one bucket of water and mug, he'll take bath. So Krishna can take bath himself. He does not need you. Agreed? But deities means he comes under Bhakta Ashraya. He becomes shelter of his devotees. Okay, you bathe me. You dress me. He doesn't need you. Does he need? समझ आ रहा है ये चीज़? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको समझो. So same way different services you do, just like preaching message of Krishna consciousness. Do you think he needs your help? चैतन्य महाप्रभु को जरूरत है आप लोगों की क्या? अकेले नहीं कर सकते क्या? First you say, can Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spread the message himself or not? He can spread or not? What are you preaching? By seeing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, people used to become devotees, just by seeing him. हमारा क्या है? Where are we? Can you understand this very important point? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can become immediately 6-7 billion expansions, and every jiva he can convince personally. He's there in the heart, he can come and talk and convince, correct? Why he needs you? He doesn't need you. It is his mercy. Somebody asked this question to Srila Prabhupada. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur was a very powerful Vaishnava. So why he did not finish? Why he could not finish? Whole earth को उन्होंने भक्ति क्यों नहीं बनाया? So Prabhupada said, it is his kindness. थोड़ा आपके लिए काम छोड़ दिया. You understand? He has left little work out of आपके लिए थोड़ा कृपा से काम छोड़ा है. Agree? भगवान के लिए जैसे भोग कोई खाना बना रहा है, भगवान को आपकी जरूरत है क्या? राधा रानी बना देंगी, आपकी तो जरूरत है नहीं. और आप वो जैसा बनाएंगे आप कभी नहीं बना सकते. कैन यू मेक लाइक राधा रानी? नो. सो यू आर गेटिंग सम सर्विस, दैट इज सम मर्सी. आपको कुछ मर्सी मिल रही है ना. भगवान के अपने आप खुद कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते क्या? आपकी जरूरत है क्या? नहीं. कृष्णा इज द बेस्ट ड्रेसर. वो अपने आप को ऐसा ड्रेस करेंगे आप नहीं कर पाओगे कभी भी, है राइट. बट आपको कृपा करो, थोड़ा सेवा करो. सो ही इज गिविंग अस अ चांस टू सर्व. अदरवाइज कृष्णा इज टोटली इंडिपेंडेंट. टोटली कृष्णा इंडिपेंडेंट. आपकी जरूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, क्षमता है. ठीक है. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. So the first thing what we explained, the devatas are also not independent, and Krishna is also actually independent but taking service from out of his kindness. ठीक है, ये भी point समझ आ गया. And then try to understand. Many people say there is no God. They make analysis and say there is no God. Who gave you the tongue and the brain first? You analyze from a brain that there is no God. Who gave you the brain? Even for that you are dependent. Without that brain, you cannot even have decided whether he is not there, and without the mouth that God has given you, you cannot even have spoken that God is there or not there. You are so dependent on him, and you are declaring God is not there. Look at the idiot. To even analyze whether God is there or not there, you need a brain. That also God gave you. To speak that God is there, not there, you need a tongue. That also God gave you. And after that is declaring there is no God. ऐसा मजाक देखो. Suppose you are sitting in a house and somebody has given you house, somebody has given you mobile, ठीक है, and on top of it say that person is some X, and on top of it you are using the mobile and sitting in that house given by that person, using the same mobile given by him, and you are telling from the mobile he doesn't exist. Imagine the joke. अरे बाबा ये मोबाइल जो पकड़ी है जिससे बोल रही हो ये किसने दी है? जिस घर में बैठे हो, सीट में बैठे हो, वो किसने दिया है? So similarly we are sitting on earth, we are sitting in this body, we don't look at the joke actually. Get? Very interesting point, very important point actually. So people, atheist people, they feel that no, the matter itself organizes itself and everything is formed and I have formed through the matter, there is no God. Matter has no creative capacity. कभी experience है क्या? Any design happens on its own. देखा है क्या? On its own some chemicals are lying and a mic is formed. ये क्या पागलपन है actually. Therefore, unfortunately, अंधा यथांधे उपनीयमानः. A blind is leading the blind. That is a misfortune of this world. So-called educational institution. Andha yathandhe upiniyamana. One blind is sitting there. Come, I'll show you the path. What he will show? He is himself blind. Agree? A blind man is making big colleges. I'll show you how to move. He himself can't see anything. What he will show you? Therefore, Prabhupada says this education is not teaching. This education is cheating. But they cannot teach anything. They're saying, come, we will teach you. And big degrees. एक दूसरे को बेवकूफ़ बनाते. क्या हो गया? 5th class पास हो गया, 8th class पास हो गया. He is still remaining in darkness only. Simply those titles are increasing. So society is totally misled by fools today. Therefore, even this kind of Prabhupada used to say many times, a gentleman will be ashamed to speak what people are speaking today. Matter has no creative capacity. For that also you are dependent. Correct? I can lift this mic, and today it is like this. I can arrange like this. Correct? I can do something. But on its own, the mic cannot think. Now let me arrange in another way. Mic has no creative capacity. They tried so-called artificial intelligence. That is artificial only. The very chor ka dadi mein tinka, they themselves use the word artificial. It is not real intelligence. You understand? It is And somebody has to program it. Just like they say, we can make a computer who can play chess with you, and it is tough, it will defeat you. You have seen that? Some people play in mobile also chess. You play, it will defeat you. Mobile will defeat you. Devotees should not waste time. But the point is, the question is, you may say, see, machine is also become intelligent. Somebody made that and put there. On its own, machine doesn't have intelligence. Its matter is dead. You can put your intelligence somewhere. Correct? Understand? But thinking, feeling, willing, that you cannot transport to matter. Can you transport to machine? Thinking, feeling, willing. That is not part of a machine. Machine cannot do that. So this is another way we can understand actually that matter is not independent. It is totally dependent on the Lord. By the Lord's will, matter can move in a particular way. But on its own, matter cannot move. It is totally dependent. And then the last point I wanted to say about independence today. Prabhupada says this very nicely. He says that we are not independent even to perceive this world. I've been developing this point last classes. You are not independent to perceive the world. The senses, the mind, the brain, correct? The body has been given to you. And you have to perceive in that way only. Are you independent? Can you say you are independent? Sorry. Can you say you are independent? Is it possible? You are forced to look in a particular way. See, not only you are seeing, you are attractive and repulsed to something. Correct? Like you see a donkey, you are repulsed to sight of a donkey or a pig. But she donkey is not repulsed. She donkey is finding it very attractive. Noticed? It is not repulsed. So you are not only made to see this world through the senses, which you have no control over. You are totally dependent. Even the way you see, that is also controlled. So actually, the jiva is totally controlled and is totally dependent on the Lord. And realization of this makes us advance in Krishna consciousness. Okay? We advance in Krishna consciousness once we understand how we are totally dependent. So all the demonic propensities come because people understand they are independent. Okay? If we can come over this, we understand how I'm dependent, then it is natural. No? We get up in the morning, I'm dependent on sadhana. My whole spiritual life depends on the Acharya, pleasure of Guru and Krishna. They will be pleased when I perform sadhana. Prabhupada is not pleased sentimentally. You cannot please Prabhupada sentimentally. No use. He will not be pleased. Prabhupada is really pleased when you are acting based on his guidelines. So we get up in the morning, we are dependent on sadhana. And then we offer prayers to the spiritual master, correct? Samsara Damarala. We are offering prayers to Prabhupada. And then after that we are chanting the holy names. We are cultivating dependence. Actually, spiritual life means we are cultivating dependence. Correct? What are we doing? Cultivating. And then holy name. Then after that, the deities. We are cultivating dependence. We are praying to the deities. See, my condition is like this. I am chanting, but I am not able to attentively chant. I am not able to, still I am thinking about sense objects. I am not praying to you, my Lord. I am not become a devotee, my Lord. We are offering prayers, correct? How do I? And then I read about great devotees in the Shastra. What is the shloka? Kabe. When will the tears come in my eyes? Shikshashtaka. What is that? Durlabha. Off ಮಾಡಿ. So, when the tears will come, when the throat will get choked up, नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तथापिता नियमिता स्मरणेन काला एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैव विदुषमहाजनिनारुरागा तिरणातुपि सुनीचेना तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानी न मानदेन कीर्तया सदा हरि न धनम न जनम न सुंदरीं कविता मा जगदीश कामये ममा जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवताद् भक्ति ऐश्वर्य अयि नंद तनुजा किंकरम पतिता मा विषमे भमामुदौ कृपया तव पाद पंकजा सितधूलि सदृशम नयनम गलदश्रुधाराय वदनम गदगरुधाय गिरा पुलके निचितम वपु कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति नयनम. So when that moment will come, नयनम गलदश्रुधाराय. Correct? So the devotee understands for all this he is dependent. He knows he is not dependent. When will the day come, my Lord? There is another Gauranga bolite have pulaka sharira. Hari Hari bolite have nae. So when will the day come? Then I chant the name of Hari and tears come on my eyes. And Baba Baba Neera. Okay? And so similarly, so we see that actually even for advancement in spiritual life, now you become devotees or trying to become devotees. To advance in spiritual life, you are dependent on Krishna. You are not independent. So when you are doing sadhana, you are cultivating dependence on the Lord. Because you know, I very nicely chanted today. I offered some prayers to the Lord. Krishna was very kind. Now I am feeling free. Anna? Feeling. So devotee becomes independent because he is dependent on Krishna. Normal man is whole day dragged by Maya and is shameless. Doesn't feel any shame. Prabhupada said, what respect you have? Maya is dragging you whole day. What respect? People, I am so respectable. Big tie, big suit, big seat is sitting. What is respect? Maya is dragging you whole day. Correct? Senses are dragging you left, right, center, slapping you. What respect? Like a joke that day. A dog, his collar is caught like this and tied. And he's saying, Baba. Hare Baba. What pride are you showing? Look at your condition first. Neck is tight like this. Correct? Dog will be tight like this and nail like this. And somebody walking on the road, Baba, is showing his pride. Look at your condition first before you shout at me. So similarly, people say, I am like this, you should be like this. Okay, that is okay. What is your condition first? Watch how tightly Tepi Ishitamtram Uridamni Baddaha. How tightly we are bound by nature. People are not able to see. They are not able to see this. So therefore we should see. So this is the condition of everybody in this world, dragged by Maya. So by surrendering to Krishna, you can see every day you are free from harassment of Maya. At least in the beginning, this we should cultivate. I do serious sadhana and I can see that whole day I was free from the kicks and slaps of Maya. And next day morning again, or in the evening, and next day again I am ready to again take shelter of Krishna. Because artificially you cannot do sadhana also very long. How long you will do? There has to be some anubhava. There has to be some practical benefit. Normal man is whole day slapped and kicked by the senses, harassed, and no happiness on top of it. Correct? But a devotee, by morning and evening, is doing sadhana, taking shelter of Krishna, and he can see that actually, because I took shelter of Krishna, I am free from this harassment of Maya. He can see that. It's not a story for him. Pratyaksha anugavam dharmam susukam kartumave. And the life becomes joyful. Nashta prayesha vadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya bhagavati uttama shloke bhakti bhavati naishiki tada rajastamo bhava kamalobha dayasche chete ete anavidam sitam sattve prasidhati evam prasanna manaso. When mind is purified of the senses, lower modes, rajas and tamas, person becomes happy. Correct? It's naturally, Prabhupada says, is self-manifest. The happiness of devotee is self-manifest because he is now free from rajas and tamas. That drama they do now everywhere, smile, smile, smile. First thing, even if whole world smile, that so-called stupid smile will not satisfy your heart. may give you that 1 second of happiness. Rubbish it is. All the movies, serials, they try to show some rubbish happiness. People are smiling, hey, fine you are, huh? And we all feel, oh, great. That happiness will not satisfy you. It's like a drop in a desert. Real smiles, you have to search for real smiles. This artificial smile, people also for a photograph they'll smile. And then they look, see, I'm smiling. They forget he was artificially smiling. See, I'm so happy. Because he created illusion for happiness for others and even for himself. Your photograph mostly is watched by you only. Other people don't watch, they have to watch your photograph. We watch a photograph. See, I'm looking so happy. Actually, you're making a show of happiness. Because material body is like that. Spiritual body and the soul is one. So happiness of that is true and it is truly exhibited. In the spiritual body, when you're smiling, it means soul is happy. Material body, you can make a drama. You're showing happiness, but heart has no happiness. Agreed? You can do duplicity. In the soul, there is no duplicity. Everything is visible. And anyway, soul is always prasannatma. Nash Brahma Bhuta prasannatma. When you come to the spiritual platform, you are always joyful. So anyway, we are not independent of Krishna. If any angle we can see, we saw through some angle, we are not independent of Krishna. Either as a devotee that we discussed, devotee dependent on the holy name, on the deities, on the Guru, Krishna, Prasadam, is dependence. He cultivates dependence on the Shastra, daily cultivates. And again, and because he knows it is working, just like you are having fever. You take medicine, whole day there was no fever. Next day, very enthusiastic you'll take. See, your hundreds of days you tried everything. Fever was not going. Fever was there, heavy fever. Right? And one day you take medicine, your fever went away. Next day you will take medicine enthusiastically? Yes. So if we are devotees, we are not devotees, we are sadhakas now. Sadhaka means sadhana, bas. Koi emotion, ye sab kuch nahi dekha jata, all rubbish. Sadhaka means sadhana, that's all. Nothing else. Sadhana means we should see, we should cultivate dependence. We should be very enthusiastic. Now, tomorrow morning, 4:30, I'll plan, I'll organize, I'll tell 2-3 people, see, to be ready. Because I know it is given by Prabhupada, it's given by the Acharya. And I'm also having prataksha, that if I do sadhana nicely, I feel so peaceful. Correct? So we should cultivate dependence. We read Prabhupada books, we should cultivate dependence. Correct? Very nice. Yesterday I read, was very nice. Today I also read one chapter I want to read now. We sit down 1 hour, we read Prabhupada books. So nice. Avyartha kalatram. 1 second we should not waste. Naam gane tada ruchi. There are various qualities of a person who is advancing, and one of the main qualities is he cannot waste 1 second. And gossip, this, that. Krishna is in control of the world. I am not in control. You cannot chant when you think Krishna is in control. Then only you can chant. If you think you are in control, you cannot chant. अरे उसको उधर करना, वो करना, क्या जप करोगे? हरे कृष्णा, वो भी करना है मेरे को, हरे कृष्णा, वो भी करना है, क्या जप करोगे? Krishna is in control and he has asked me to chant. I'll chant. Correct? Just like Arjuna, Krishna is telling him fight. Now what is happening at home, Arjuna doesn't have to worry. Krishna will take care of that. You do your job. So when you are doing japa, you should be focused. You have been asked to chant. Now what is happening, is my cloth drying there or not, or rain? Don't bother too much. Krishna will take care. What will happen today? Don't worry too much. You just do what you are asked to do. You are very teeny, you are very small. What you have been asked to do, you just do that. And cultivate dependence, therefore, to the instructions, to the Lord, and quickly advance his spiritual life. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.